Hi, I'm Dr. Ron W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of Transpower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. I work as a theoretical physicist and as a systems and mechanical engineer. Well, it's been quite a while since my last posting here, but I've been dealing with a medical crisis, so at least I'm back today. I'm going to do another post of Optimal Manager software package. Here's the sign-on screen. After you hit OM, you get this screen. Just hit enter. You get to the program module menu. We're currently on Optimal Product Manufacturer, so you hit II, enter. And we're going to do Program Unit 8 today, Optimal Machine Allocation to Products. So we put in 8, enter. Would you like to see the program unit description? Yes, we would, and we'll read it. Every program in this package comes with a description. The printed manual is optional. It's $95. The software itself is $95. We used to sell this program for decades. We sold it for $495, but now it's only $95 with a Dropbox link. That's as low a price as we could possibly have. Okay, so this program unit determines the number of hours to run each of a set of machines so as to meet weekly production requirements of a set of products at minimum cost. Inputs to the program unit consist of the number of machines, the number of products, the number of units per hour of each product produced by each machine, the operating cost per hour of each machine, and the weekly requirement for each product. The program unit outputs consist of the number of hours to run each machine and the total cost for the week. Linear programming is used. So hit continue. If you don't like the description, you want to go somewhere else, you would hit X to exit. All right. Now, do you wish to use data from a disk file? Yes, we'll do that. And we'll choose file number 1. You can save up to 5 files. Now, you can accept, edit, or reject this. We'll hit E for edit, and we'll just go through it, and we'll just hit enter at each stage. So optimal allocation of the 3 machines, that's the title of the report. My name is Ronald W. Satz. You put your name there. Your company name is here, Transpower in my case. And this was, believe it or not, run originally on September 22nd, 1982. We have 2 metal stampings. We have 3 machines. We have 2 products. It's a pretty simple problem, but let's go through it. And now here's an issue with running DOSBox. There's a misalignment between the rows and the numbers, but you can visualize what's going on. You can treat this as if it were a 3D situation. Anyway, it's 400 for, well, let's do E for edit. So the program unit will prompt you at the bottom in each case, so you won't get confused. How many units per week of product 1 are required? So 400. How many units of product 2 are required? 600, okay? Hit A to accept. And here's the next screen, we'll hit E to edit. What is the operating cost per hour of machine 1? It's in dollars, 20. What is operating cost per hour of machine 2? 22. What is operating cost per hour of machine 3? Is 18. Accept, A. Now we'll edit the screen. Again, just think of this as a 3D situation. DOSBox doesn't quite align everything up, but it's no big deal. There's no problem with the numbers going into the program. How many units per hour of product 1 can be made by machine 1? So 4. How many units per hour of product 1 can be made by machine 2? 6. How many units per hour of product 1 can be made by machine 3? Is 1. How many units per hour of product 2 can be made by machine 1? That'd be 4. How many units per hour of product 2 can be made by machine 2? 4. And finally, how many units per hour of product 2 can be made by machine 3? Accept. And you could save the data, then compute. You could go back to screen 1 if you screwed up somehow, or you could just compute only. Okay? We'll just hit C. And it's so fast, anyway, with modern computers. This would have taken some time, back in 1982, but, now it's incredibly fast. So you go to screen only or printer and screen. You can go screen length or continuous printing. And the program will always output all the original input. Okay? And here, everything is lined up correctly. So you don't have to worry about your reports. Everything will be lined up properly. Production rate, units per hour, so you can see product versus machine there. You can then see machine and operating costs per hour. And you can see product and the weekly requirement. So here we go. So machine 1, optimal number of hours is 0, cost is 0. Machine 2 is 56.25, optimal number of hours, 1237 is the cost. All right, and then machine 3, 62.50 hours, and then $1,125 for the cost. So the total cost of machine operation is $2362.50. So you can print results again, which I feel like doing. Let's go back to this screen length. So here we have the operating cost per hour. Remember, we have 3. So we're going to be using machines 2 and 3 basically, and machine 2 is going to be the one most often used. Okay. All right. Wow, that was easy. So now we hit E to exit to the module menu. We're back to here. And I'm going to close out. You just hit 0 to exit. May all your decisions be optimal. Okay, so again, this is still the most comprehensive applied decision support software package you can buy. You can get lots of programs which have linear programming, but then you have to input all the stuff yourself, and you really don't have any boilerplate options. I mean, here everything is spelled out for you. This is by far the easiest to use optimization decision support software package. Okay, it's available. We can send it to you via a Dropbox link. It's available either from transpowercorp.com or amazon.com. Either way, we'll send you a Dropbox link. The printed manual is optional. You probably don't need it, but it is available, still available, if you need that as well. And as usual, we provide free phone and email support for anything related to your purchase here, and has a lifetime warranty. It's going to be compatible with any Windows product, I would think, now and to the distant future. Okay, thanks for your attention. See you next time. I'm going to hit stop here. Done.